Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today I am going to teach exercise 2.6, fourth question. See, the sum of first n terms of certain series is given as 2n square minus 3n. Okay, sum of the series is given. Sn is given 2n square minus 3n. Then we want to show that the series is an AP. Okay, arithmetic progression we want to show. A given series is an arithmetic progression we want to show. For that, first want to find that series. Okay, arithmetic series we want to find. Okay, so for that you see solution first. So according to given information, what is that? Given that Sn term is this given 2n square minus 3n. So first put n is equal to 1, then S1. Okay, so 2 times of 1 square minus 3 times of 1. Instead of n, want to substitute 1. So 2 of 1 square value 1 minus 3 ones are 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 3 we will receive as a 1. Okay, we will receive as a 1. Sorry, minus 1. We will receive as a minus 1. This is S1. So here S1 is called T1. Okay, only one terms we are adding. Okay, so T1 is equal to minus 1. S1 is called T1. Okay. Next, put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2 means S2 is equal to 2 of 2 squared minus 3 of 2. So what we will receive? 2 of 2 squared value 4 minus 3 2s are 6. Now 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 6 we will receive as a 2. Okay. We will receive as a 2. So see. So this is S2. We received as a S2. Actually here S2 means what is that? Meaning of S2 means two terms we are adding. S2 means T1 plus T2 you should add only. We will receive as a S2. T1 plus T2 is we will receive as a S2. Okay, two terms we are adding means that is called sum of the two terms S2. Now already we know that S2 value, now only we got it, therefore T1 plus T2 is equal to 2 because S2 value is 2. S2 value is 2 means, so T1 value we know, T1 value we received as a minus 1 plus T2 is equal to 2, therefore T2 you need means 2 plus 1, minus 1 that's why go plus 1, so T2 we will receive as a 3. Okay, term 2 we received as a 3. So T1 we received as a minus 1, then T2 we received as a 3. Okay, then next want to find, put n is equal to 3. Okay, put n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3 means S3 is equal to 2 times of 3 square minus 3 times of 3. So 2, 3 square value 9 minus 3 3s are 9. Now 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 9 we will receive as a 9. Okay, this is called S3. Actually we need T3 only, then means here S3 means T1 plus T2 plus T3 is called S3. Okay, now T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 9 because S3 value is 9. Now T1 value we know minus 1 plus T2 value we know 3 plus T3 is equal to 9. Now T3 value want to find, therefore, so my 3 1 go means 2. 2 plus T3 is equal to 9. Now T3 you want means 9 minus 2 plus 2, that's why go minus 2 separate means 7. Okay, like that it will go on. Okay, therefore the series is minus 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus up to etc. Okay, so you want to show that the given series is an AP. What we want to show that series is an AP. AP means what? Given sequence or series. In this term, difference will be equal. It is called an AP. Okay, so you want to find difference. Now T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 minus of minus 1. We will receive as a 4. Next T3 minus T2. 7 minus 3 we will receive as a 4. Okay. Therefore, here T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Common difference is equal. Common difference is equal. Therefore, the series is an AP. Okay, this only we want to show. So then we receive that answer. So the given series is an AP. So here series is not given. Instead of series, it is given SN term. So using SN term, you want to find the series. After that series, you want to check it as a AP or not. Okay. So we have checked the common difference came equal, so that this series is an AP. Okay, that's all. See next fifth question. The 104th term and fourth terms of an APs are 125 and 0. Find the sum of first 35 terms. Okay. So finding first 35 terms, first we want to know first term and common difference. Yes. So first that series we want to find. For that it is given 104th term is 125. Fourth term is 0. Using this result we want to find first A and D. Okay. So see solution. Given that 104th term. Okay. So T 104. Directly we can write T 104th term is 125. Okay. T 104 is equal to 125. So use Tn formula. Next T fourth term is T4 is equal to 0. Okay, it is given. So we know that Tn formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, it is AP. Arithmetic progression Tn formula we know. Now use this result. T 104 is equal to 125. Now what is the formula? A plus 104 minus 1 into d is equal to 125. Okay, left hand side use formula Tn formula. Now A plus 103d is equal to 125. So consider the equation 1. Next T4 is equal to 0. So A plus 4 minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So A plus 3d is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Okay, this is equation 2. So equation 1 and 2 you want to solve. Okay, solve equation 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2 means first equation write A plus 103d is equal to 125. Second equation you should write A plus 3d is equal to 0. So you should subtract only plus A minus A, it will go. Okay, want to subtract, that means want to change the symbol. So plus A minus A it will go. By elimination method you want to cancel plus A minus A. Here 103 3 goes means 100d is equal to 125. Okay, 100d is equal to 125. Now you want d means 100 will go down, therefore d is equal to 125 by 100. You should cancel with the 25 table. 5 by 4 you will receive. Okay, 525 is a 125, 5 425 is a 100. So d we received answer is 5 by 4. So now d is equal to 5 by 4. Substitute in equation 2. Okay, d is equal to 5 by 4. Substitute in equation 2, because equation 2 only easy. So that you want to substitute in this equation. In this equation is what is that? A plus 3d is equal to 0. So A plus 3 times of d value is 5 by 4 is equal to 0. So 3 you should multiply with only numerator. So A plus 5 3s are 15 by 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now this implies plus 15 by 4. That side go minus 15 by 4. So A and D we received. Therefore question has to find sum of first. Therefore want to find the sum of first 35 terms. 35 terms. Okay. So yes 35 want to find. Okay, actually yes 35 want to find. So here yes 35. Now we know that Sn sum of the terms. Okay, sum of the AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now you should substitute instead of n 35. So s 35, so 35 by 2 of 2 times of a is minus 15 by 4 plus instead of n value is 35, so 35 minus 1 into d is 5 by 4. Okay, d is 5 by 4. So next step you see 35 by 2 we cannot get cancelled, so you should write as it is. Then next step, here you see 2 into, here 2 and 4 cancel means minus 15 by 2 you will receive, minus 15 by 2. Okay, then next 35 minus 1 34, 34 of 5 by 4. Now again 35 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus this and this cancel means 2 table. Okay, 17 2s are 34, here 2. Okay, now 17 5s are you should multiply means we will get 85 by 2. 85 by 2. Now 35 by 2, here directly minus 15 plus 85 by 2 because same denominator, so numerator we can add. So you should add means 85 15 it goes, we will get 35 by 2. Here it goes, we will receive as a 70 by 2. 70 by 2 you should cancel means we will receive as a 35 by 2. This you should write here 35. Now 35 into 35 you should multiply means we will receive as a 1225 by 2. So this you should cancel with the 2 table, we will receive as a 612.5. Okay, so sum of 35 terms should be added, we will receive as a answer is 612.5. okay, that's all. See next sixth question, find the sum of all odd positive integers is less than 450. Okay, only positive all odd integers you should be added less than 450. What is the answer question asked? Okay, see solution. So find the sum of all odd positive integers is less than 450. So let Sn is equal to, we know, okay, the positive integers is started with 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to etc. plus 450 before odd number is 499. Okay, sorry, 449. Okay, so this is a question. So should be added, what is the answer we want to find? Okay, first want to find totally how many terms are there. For that first you want to write first term a is equal to 1. Next common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1. 3 minus 1 we will receive as a 2. Okay, here last term is there. Last term L is equal to 449. Now want to know, we know that want to first find n. N is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. Okay, we know the formula because in this series totally how many terms are there we want to know first. Okay, for that use this formula we will receive the answer. So L is 449 minus 1 divided by A is 1, D is 2 plus 1. 449 you should separate with 1, 448 divided by 2 plus 1. So you should cancel this, we will receive as a 224 plus 1. You should be added 225. So n is equal to 225. Totally how many numbers want to be added? 225 numbers want to be added. Okay, so should be added, what is the answer want to find? So use Sn is equal to, now again we know that Sn formula, last term it is given as n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, now S instead of n 225. So 225 by 2, A is 1 plus L is 449. Okay, this we cannot get cancelled, right, as it is 225 by 2 into this should be added 450. So this you should cancel. We will receive the answer 225 into 2 to 5. This also 225 you will get. So 225 into 225 you should multiply, means we will receive as answer 50,625. Okay. Therefore, sum of all are positive integer less than 450 you should add, means we will receive the answer is 50,625. Okay, that's all. See, next question, 7th one. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 602 and 902 which are not divisible by 4. Okay, actually question asked is sum of all natural numbers between means 602 to 902. Then means 602 next number is 603. Then 902 before number is 901. So 603 to 901, that number should be added, then condition it is given which are not divisible by 4. Okay, so which are not divisible by 4 means first is 603. Okay, you check it, 603 is not divisible by 4. Okay, next 604 you take, 604 is divisible by 4. Okay, then means 604 we want to eliminate. Okay, then next 605, 606, 607, next 608 it will not come. Okay, so then next 609, like that it will go on. Okay, so you check last number, we will get it as a 901. Okay, 901. So you check it, this series not an arithmetic series. Okay, arithmetic progression is not there, because you check it, difference is here 605, 603, 605, difference is 2, but here difference is 1. So it is not a arithmetic series. So arithmetic progression or arithmetic series, okay, we can tell arithmetic progression only we can use the formula. Okay, so the conditions will be satisfied, difference is equal means SN formula is applicable, so we can use, but here we cannot apply that formula. So that first how want to find means, you see solution, first want to be added, what is that, whole number should be added, 603 to 901. Okay, so up to that you should add first. So see solution, first we take sum of the numbers from 603 to 901. Okay, so it should be add. Now let Sn is equal to 603 plus 604 plus up to etc plus 901. Here A is, okay, here first term A is equal to, this is first point. Okay, first one. So A is equal to 603. First want to know how many numbers are there, 603 to 901, how many numbers are there, we want to know first. For that, first you want to find A is equal to first term, then common difference is 1, then last term L is equal to 901. So we know the formula, L is equal to L minus A D plus 1. So last term 901 minus 603 divided by 1 plus 1. So it should be subtract, means we will receive that 298. 298 plus 1 we will get 299. Totally 603 to 901. How many numbers are there means 299. Therefore these 299 number you should be added, means, so we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. So should be added. So yes, 299 terms should be added. What is the answer? You see 299 by 2 of A is 603 plus L is last term is 901. Okay, so should be added this. We cannot get cancelled 299. So you should write as it is 299 by 2 into this. You should add, means we will receive 1504. Now this you should cancel, means 299 into this you should cancel, we will receive 752. This 2 should be multiply means we will get, okay, we will get it as an answer 2,24,848. Okay, we will get the answer 2,24,848 we will get. Okay, so first we added all the numbers. Next, what want to do means, so exactly divisible by 4 you should add. Okay, here not divisible by only asked, so that only I first itself I have explained. First what want to do means all the numbers you should add, then exactly divisible by 4, that are the numbers you should be add, then both the answer also you should be separate, we will get the answer. Okay, what question it's asked, from that question we will receive answer. Okay, so see, next we want to find, next we take sum of all the numbers, sum of all the numbers between 602 and, okay, 602 and 902, which are divisible by, which are divisible by 4. So getting this answer, whole number, okay, should be added, that number separate, we will receive the answer. Okay, so see, first you take 602, it is divisible by 4 or not, you check it. 604 divisible by 4 or not, first you check. So see, you should divide, 1 4s are 4, remaining 2, 0, 5 4s are 20. Okay, so here 1 0, so 200 you will get. Remaining we will receive as a 2. Okay, this 2 it will come down, or else 2 20, 5 4s are 20. Okay, so 0, next 2 want to come down, so remainder is 0, sorry, remainder is 2. So remainder we received, what want to do means, first number how want to find, see, check this 602 you should add with this, here this is what is a divisor, you should subtract with the remainder, you should subtract with the remainder. So we will get it a first number 602, here 4 minus 2, 2. So first number is 604. So first number is exactly divisible by 4. First number is, what does that mean, 604. Okay, it is rough work. Okay, so first number I received. Then next last number want to get. So 902, whether exactly divisible by 4 or not, you want to check. So 902 you should divide it by 4. 902 you should divide it by 4 means 2 4s are 8, remaining 1, 0 want to come down. Now 2 4s are 8, remaining 2, again 2 want to come down. Now 5 4s are 20, yes, 5 4s are 20, remainder we received as a 2. Now here last number how want to find means, so the number 902, this remainder should be separate, directly the last number. Okay, last number how want to find means, first you want to divide, then what remainder we are receiving, that remainder you should separate means we will get answer. So 900. So this 900 is exactly divisible by 4. So first number and last number I received, yes. So first number alone, getting remainder you should subtract with the divisor, then you should add with that number. So that 602, 4 minus 2, 2. So 602 you should add with 2, we will receive 604. Therefore exactly the divisible by 4 are. Therefore first number is, see, exactly divisible by 4 are, let Sn is equal to, first number is 604, next is 608, up to etc. plus last number is 900. Now n want to find, totally how many numbers are there for the first term. A is equal to 604, common difference D is equal to 4, then last term L is equal to 900. Okay, it is a big question, so big answer. See, anyway, so this method only will be there, you can get answer. Okay, so next n want to find. So n is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. So you substitute 900 minus 604 divided by 4 plus 1. So should be subtracted this, we will get 296 by 4 plus 1. So you should cancel this, we will get answer 74 plus 1, 75. So n is equal to 75. Exactly the division by 4. Totally how many numbers are there? 75 numbers are there. So that 75. Now these 75 numbers add means. So now let Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So this you should add 7 S75 is equal to 75 by 2. A is 604 plus last term is 900. Okay, after that answer you see 75 by 2 we cannot get cancel. So 75 by 2. These two you should be added means we will get 1504. So this 2 and this you should cancel, 75 into this you should cancel, we will get 752. This 2 you should multiply means we will get it as answer 56,400. 56,400. Okay. So both answer also we received, therefore now only we will receive the answer. Question is asked, what does that means? Therefore sum of numbers which are not divisible by 4, which are not divisible by 4 is equal to first number. What answer we received? First one we received 2,24,848. You should subtract with this second one 56,400. Okay, 56,400. So you should be subtracted, we will receive as an answer 1,68,448. So this is the answer, final answer. Okay, that's all. So like that want to find. First total number you should be add, next exactly divisible by number should be add. Both answer also you should subtract, we will receive as the answer. So answer is 1,68,448. Okay, that's all.